98% of applicants are approved. We do not do a hard pull on your account. They just need your EIN. What's going on? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. Now in today's video, we have an absolute banger. I'm gonna be sharing with you a no PG credit line that you can get. It will help you build business credit. Now, I see a lot of times where people will apply for business funding and get denied because they don't have any established business credit. And there's this myth that, oh, if I don't actually have any debt or use credit, that by default, your credit should automatically be good. That's not the case at all. You actually have to demonstrate that you've actually had the ability to use credit and repay it. That's why in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you a super easy credit account that anyone can get that will help you start to build business credit that can then unlock even higher limits. And the best part about this, they have a 98% approval rate. So we're talking about First Commercial Credit. Now, this is a fleet card. Now, one of the most slept on ways for building business credit is by using fleet cards and gas cards. So this fuel fleet credit card is provided by First Commercial Credit, accepted at 99% of stations nationwide, 0 in-network fees, and 24/7, 365 customer support. You can apply online, and First Commercial Credit lends more than the bank. Now, the application only takes about 5 minutes to apply. You're going to enter in your legal business name, email address, business phone, as well as just some basic information. It takes 5 minutes. And another real benefit of these fuel cards is to separate your expenses when it comes to business vehicles or your commercial fleet if you have one. And this is especially pertinent when it comes to tax preparation and documenting all of your transactions. I'm always telling y'all about having your paperwork in order. This is a small component of it. Now, you can get discounts up to $2 per gallon at stations nationwide, including ExxonMobil, BP, QuikTrip, as well as 7-Eleven. Now, as it says right here, 98% of applicants are approved, qualify for a credit card with a weekly limit, or you can get a prepaid card that lets you build credit and access discounts. So pretty much there's two versions. You can get the unsecured card, or if you don't qualify for that, you can get the prepaid card. Both options do help with building business credit, and they have over a 98% approval rate. You could purchase fuel anywhere nationwide, so you could use your First Commercial fuel card at any truck stop that accept Visa. That's 99% of stations. Now, I'm a big fan of these universal visas versus some of these other gas cards where you have to be in network to get the discounts or even sometimes use the card. The universal visas are extremely flexible and versatile. You don't have to think about what gas station to go to. Most gas stations are going to accept it if they accept Visa. And again, huge benefit, build business credit with every purchase. So every time you use your commercial fuel card, this will help with building your business credit score, helping you qualify for more credit in the future. As it says right here, we report to Experian for both prepaid fuel cards and fuel cards with a credit line to help you build business credit. So this is an absolute game changer. So this is no excuse for you not to be able to start building business credit, especially on Experian. Experian is probably one of the more important reporting agencies when it comes to business credit, because a lot of institutions are going to pull from Experian. So having trade lines that report to Experian is definitely a benefit. And this just shows how First Commercial fuel credit card compares to some of the others. 99.9% truck acceptance rate. You get unlimited discounts on gallons, and they don't charge you any per transaction fees or out of network fees. Now, some frequently asked questions. Can fuel cards build credit? Not all fuel cards build credit, but ours does. Even the prepaid cards, we regularly report to Experian because we know how important it is for small businesses to build credit. Do I need a business credit score to sign up for the First Commercial Credit fuel card? No, they just need your EIN, driver's license, and proof of business revenue from the past 3 months. Also important, does this affect my credit score? We do not do a hard pull on your account, so you don't get an inquiry on your account and your credit score is not affected. Now, I would say this is very similar to the A to B visa or even the mud flap being a universal visa. So this is accepted anywhere Visa is accepted. So that's going to be pretty much 99.9% of all gas stations and truck stops throughout the country. Another great benefit, this does help with building business credit, and there's no hard inquiry on your personal credit report. There's no personal guarantee and over 98% approval rate. So if you're watching this, 98% of you guys watching this can qualify for this. Start building business credit today. So again, this is pretty straightforward. You get a fuel fleet card, very similar to some of the ones we've reviewed: A to B Visa, Mudflat Visa, Universal Visa. And just with those 3 cards, you could actually start to begin building business credit, building a low risk profile, or even getting up to an 80 paydex score. And you don't have to necessarily go about getting all these net 30s, wasting money on things you don't need. You can build business credit with gas cards. That's a very entry level way of building business credit. So definitely check it out. If anyone has any questions or if you have some experience, definitely let us know down in the comment section below. I've also dropped a link. That's it for today. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.